I'm Haley Hernandez and I'm the Community Outreach Specialist at Victoria ER. My role here is to go out to businesses and doctors' offices and advocate for the ER. I also specialize in going to events and being out in the community. We do a lot with giving back, and I also do a lot of social content creating for Victoria ER. Victoria ER is open 24/7 with no appointment needed, no wait time, and we have all board certified ER experienced physicians with a very compassionate staff that makes our patients feel like family. We have ultrasounds, x-rays, and CAT scans with a full clinical lab and quick turnaround time. Digital marketing is very important in how a business goes about branding their name, especially here locally, and that's one of the great things that ThriveFuel is excellent at. ThriveFuel assists Victoria ER in aspects of marketing such as Google My Business, starting up our facility TikTok. We go over numbers, they provide positive feedback for us, and they even give us a performance overview. One of the great aspects of ThriveFuel is their website maintenance, and that's something that they do specialize in. So they do take care of things such as our geofencing, our AdWord campaigns, and even providing content for our patient testimonials and our blogs. So it's a really smooth process with ThriveFuel. Victoria ER decided to switch marketing companies because ThriveFuel is a leading digital marketing agency. ThriveFuel is really important to us because they specialize in targeting digital ads. They specialize in creating solutions. They're award-winning in many aspects of marketing. Jason, Shannon, Paige, and Steven, and the entire ThriveFuel team are professional, and they always keep us at the top of their list, and they always keep us important. ThriveFuel has been handling Victoria ER's marketing for about 7 years now. Their agency is important to us because it delivers our potential patients our social media presence. Victoria ER would like to thank ThriveFuel and their entire team for their dedication and hard work, not only to our facility but to our local community as well. Victoria ER looks forward to many years of partnership with ThriveFuel. ThriveFuel is a one-stop shop. If you're looking to start a business or you're looking to just expand your business, ThriveFuel is the one to choose because like I said, they're known for their values, their professionalism, and just having their connections. They're authentic people and they're amazing to work with.